Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We have your sneak peek video for December 16th. So here we go. Number 1, it is the Hungry Caterpillar book. Hungry Caterpillar book, $2.50, 3 of those available. Number 2, Lysol Bowl Cleaner, blue, $5, 4 of those available. Number 3, Coconut Custard, $5, 3 of those available. Number 4, Bright Boost, $5, 3 of those available. Number 5, really cool Bakugan toy Funko Pop. You're going to get both of those Funko Pops for $5, and we got a bunch of those available. I think 16. So buy more than one. Number 6 is the huge, giant New York Times cookbooks, $20. Number 7 is the Olay Firming Cream, $5, 4 of those available. Number 8 is the Spawn Mandarin toy, $5, 3 of those available. Number 9 is the Beatles book. That is a really awesome book, $25 for that. Number 10 is the Organic Lubricant, $5, 2 of those available. Number 11, Magic Root, $5, 2 of those available. Number 12, Jade Roller, $5, 2 of those available. Number 13, the Pantene Conditioner, $5, 3 of those available. Number 14 is Dry Shampoo. You're going to get a 2-pack for $5. Number 15 is the Safeguard Soap, $2.50, 3 of those available. Number 16 is the Gallon Freezer Bags, $2.50, 4 of those available. Number 17 is the Art of Sport Deodorant. You're going to get a 2-pack for $5, 3 of those available. Number 18 is the Secret Deodorant, 2-pack, $5. Number 19, the Dove Deodorant, 2-pack, $5, 2 of those available. Number 20 is the Lavender Body Oil, $5. Number 21 is the Vitamin Bundle, $20. Number 22 is a Scalp Care, $5. Number 23 is the Hims, so it's for men, Hair Regrowth Treatment, $10. Number 24 is a Makeup Bundle, and we have a bunch more of those, so see where they are in the fire sale, $20. Number 25 is the Spawn Set Toy, $15. Number 26, oh, that's a set. Yeah, the set. So $15 for both of those toys. Number 26 is the Sun Bum, $7.50. A bunch of those available. Number 27 is the hand soap 2-pack, $5. Number 28 is a set of Marvel Infinity glasses, $10. 2 of those available. Number 29 is the Acne Face Bundle, $5. Number 30 is the Tree Hut set at $10, and you may have snuck a peek at what's behind that, but we're only going to number 30. So hopefully you enjoyed the sneak peek video. We'll see you tomorrow on the fire sale at noon Central Standard Time. Thanks so much, and of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.